Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fully reset your AirPods Pro 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to basically wipe their AirPods Pros 2 and clean it from any connections that might be happening. How do you actually go ahead and reset it? Now it's pretty simple, guys. First, you're going to grab your AirPods Pro 2 case and make sure that the AirPods are placed inside. Next, you're going to go into the back of the AirPods Pro 2 case and you want to press and hold this button on the back of your case for about 15 seconds until this flashes amber. Okay, so it's going to flash orange and then it's going to be white. So after about 15 seconds, this light right over here is going to turn orange and then it's going to turn white. That means that your AirPods Pros 2 have been factory reset, meaning that the name has been changed back to its default and it's also been removed from any connections that it might have. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your AirPods Pro 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.